how to update OBS on PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily update your OBS application, that is OBS Studio video recording application or streaming application on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is, sometimes whenever you try to open the application itself, it might automatically suggest you to update if there's any update available for the application. And if it's not available, or if it, in case it doesn't show all, then what you want to do is just head over to any of your browser and simply search in for OBS Studio download or update. You can basically search in for that and just re-download the application itself, and it will automatically install the latest version, which is the final version released recently. So you can basically tap on this download installer and just reinstall the application itself, and it will automatically overwrite the previous one just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.